Hello guys, madong hapon natang tanan. So karon nga po na guys, dami sa kwarto Lexian kay nakuno si Jay surprise na pakita. Unsa man na be? Tanaw ko. Kato lang ako iligo ron kay uy agas. Unsa man ni be? Kisa may naghimo dani. Aw happy Valentine's Day dahil natong tanan guys. Happy Balintong Day sa mga naay kabalintong. Bitaw, Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Dear Mama ug Papa, I love you. Love, Lexian. Love you, be. Salamat. Kiss Mama, be. Daw, uy naman yun. Tush. Uy. Uy. Uy.
Mabang ko trabaho.
Manggod ka nung hilak mo ka.
Hindi ko mabang trabaho.
Aray! Napagkag ko. Dali, be. Asa mag-heart-heart sa banbir tanawa ko. Asa man na magawiran? Kisa man nagunting-kunting dana.
Ako.
Asa may mga assignment naman kay assignment. Be, asa man?
Hindi ni maong.
Ning cry, 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 but you only one thinking. Ni Hilak. Happy, nabali man ni jahang kuan dapat ning ngana ni Dear Mama o Papa, I love you, Happy Valentine's Day. Ana unag kuan guys, Happy Valentine's Day. Diyan na pa jang pa-effort nga mga heart guys na makatouch. Na si Jay pa surprise pud lang. Gikan man kuslakaw guys, aghang gipasalubong ni Jay isa kuan pajubar kay mo man ni jang ganahan. Mo dinay jang ganahan mo na hang gipalitan. Ang kalinlain pag heart. Daghan kay assignment kay mag-upload para bas mama.
Duha.
The boat parade. Duha? Gichika naman lagi ng ilaw.
Lagi akang mira.
Okay. The boat are floating along the lakes. It is the summer boat parade. Ikaw ba sabi? Kusga kadangag ko. Kadangag sila.
The boat are floating along the lakes. For it is the summer boat parade. Where are motorboat, rowboat, and sailboats? This boat is the yellow motorboat.
Sige. Sige.
With the flag, the rowboat decorated with flowers is this. The boat, the people on the boat wave at the
Crowds.
The chord of the clouds
Cheer.
cheer the boat. The boat bird
Is. Boats. Kaya na may is.
is summer.
The boat parade is so much fun.
It's so much
Fun
fun
to watch.
of the summer.
Say up. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of the summer. Number 1. Where are... Saha?
Where are the boats?
Palum nag-notebook karong di magisi. Okay, number 1.
Where are the boats floating?
Floating. The boats are floating along the lake's shore. Kani. The boats along the karira. Hindi tamanda na.
Kanin dataman ang his.
Correct tong imong abi mo tanaw ko sa atong gi-assignment gabi eh. Gichika na wa pa.
Wa.
Wa pa chike?
Nabilin man.
Ay, Ginoo ko. Nabilin gisid magugutunas bag. Sige na, sige na. Nawa na po summer. Tawag ni nanay. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Nagkuas agi oy. Mana?
Nga pa.
Along the lake shore.
Mana?
What kind of boats are there? There are motorboats, rowboats, and sailboats. Kani. Sorry. Kana tamandari. Papilan ta ka nakansir.
Kani taman.
There are. There tamandaris. Si Jare ang suwatan karong maanad. Debi kay gabi inas mama mag-upload bi.
Ma.
Na di are. Sakto man good. There. Gagmay agi mong agi arong maigo.
Lapis.
Ngano dagdag kag lapis? Mama na be? Naman nag-assignment ang magiging subat. Ay, sa likod di ay, napa, jama-jama man ka. Ang siri na sa likod la.
The balloons.
A man is sealing balloons. There are 5 red balloons. There are 3 yellow balloons. There are 2 blue balloons. There are 10 balloons in all. How many balloons are red? Copy the number. The 5. Sana? How many balloons are red? There are 5 red balloons. Butang bay, talibi. Lapis, isuwat dito. Dari.
Unsa?
Lapis, huy, lapis din na.
Lapis.
Sige. Mana ang gikat kay di ka mo draw balloon. Na draw 2 balloons, color them blue. Ikaw na mo color dag blue. Number 3, draw 3 balloons, color them yellow. Koloran na nimo. Wa na, maura na. So that's it for today's video guys. Charot English. Maura ni mong vlog guys. Salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day to all. God bless natong tanan. Amping mo. Bye guys.